Welcome to the CA Advanced Authentication Mainframe video. This video discusses how to install and configure Advanced Authentication Mainframe, which allows you to enable multi-factor authentication. So, what personnel do you need as you install and configure CA Advanced Authentication Mainframe? You will need security personnel with experience in the areas you see here. So how do we implement Advanced Authentication Mainframe to achieve multi-factor authentication? Install, configure, enable, then authenticate. To install using CA/CSM, follow these steps. To install using PAX-ESD, follow these steps. To configure Advanced Authentication Mainframe, create and customize the Advanced Authentication Mainframe Start a Task procedure, configure tracing for the Advanced Authentication Mainframe Java component, create and set up an Advanced Authentication Mainframe Start a Task region ACID, and if you're planning to use RSA authentication, configure the RSA Secure ID authentication support. With installation and configuration complete, you can enable authentication factors as needed. For more information about CA Advanced Authentication Mainframe, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the CA Top Secret product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit the CA support or CA community sites, or see the learning path. Thank you.